NEO stock prices to plunge as secret short seller report surfaces. What is in this report? NEO stock is again in the buzz lately, and there are some secrets as per sources. Are you interested to know? Well, NEO is being the stock running in the news for a long time now, and we can say one of the reasons is it is being a hit or a flop in its place. Welcome back to Finance Insights, where today we'll talk about what all is happening in the stock world. So don't go anywhere just yet. This video is going to be quite helpful for the NEO stock lovers. Without any further delay, let's get into the video. And first, please make sure you subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon so you don't miss out on any of our amazing videos. And let's begin! According to research published by Grizzly Research, NEO has been playing accounting tricks in the vein of Valiant to inflate its revenue and increase its net income margins. Following the publication of a report by short seller Grizzly Research alleging that the Chinese electric vehicle manufacturer NEO has been playing accounting games similar to those used by Valiant Pharmaceuticals to inflate its revenue and boost its net income margins, shares of NEO fell precipitously in the United States, Hong Kong, and Singapore. In its report dated June 28th, Grizzly made several accusations against NEO, one of which was that the company likely inflated the group's sales and profitability by utilizing an unconsolidated related party. The short seller also said that Wuhan Weining Battery Asset Management, which manages NEO's battery assets and is partially owned by the firm, might be an accessory to the alleged crime. This was another of the short allegations. Grizzly speculated that Wuhan Weining may be to NEO what Philidor was to Valiant, referring to the scandal that brought down Valiant Pharmaceuticals International. According to the allegations, Valiant Pharmaceuticals International used the assistance of the mail-order pharmacy Philidor to falsify prescriptions and steer patients to more expensive drugs. NEO shares on the New York Stock Exchange finished lower on Tuesday, trading at $22.36 per share. This was in response to the publication of the article. At 2:30 p.m. on Wednesday, the securities of the company that is listed on the Hong Kong Stock Exchange had decreased by 17 Hong Kong dollars and 10 cents, which is equivalent to a 9.2% loss to $169.60 in Hong Kong money. Before the firm called for a trading halt to make a statement addressing Grizzly's report, dual-class shares of NEO on the Singapore exchange at 0.77% stalled lower by $1.82 in U.S. money, or 7.7% at $21.90 by the lunchtime break Wednesday. NEO has stated that the allegations are without merit and that the report contains numerous errors, unsupported speculations, and misleading conclusions and interpretations regarding information about the company. NEO has also stated that the report contains misleading conclusions. NEO has stated that its board of directors, including its audit committee, is now investigating the claims made by Grizzly and contemplating the most suitable course of action to take to safeguard the company's shareholders' interests. As soon as trading was resumed, when the company asked for the trading halt to be lifted at 1:03 p.m., the counter continued its previous downward trend. At the time of the market close, at 15:56, dual-class shares of NEO were trading at a low of $21.15, reflecting a decrease of $2.57, or 10.8%, and it ended the day at $21.01, a decrease of 11.4%. In Shanghai, China, on June 29th, the following statement was published by NEO Inc., a pioneer and a leading company in the premium smart electric vehicle market, in response to allegations made in a report by Grizzly Research LLC, a short seller. The report is devoid of any substance and contains a multitude of inaccuracies, hypotheses that are not supported by evidence, and conclusions and interpretations that are deceptive about material that pertains to the company. The claims are being investigated by the board of directors of the company, which includes the audit committee. They are contemplating the most effective course of action to take to safeguard the interest of all shareholders. Additional disclosures will be made by the company to the requirements of applicable rules and regulations of the Securities and Exchange Commission, the New York Stock Exchange, the Stock Exchange of Hong Kong Limited, and the Singapore Exchange Securities Trading Limited in due course. These rules and regulations will be consistent with those of the other stock exchanges. The company wishes to stress its continuous and steadfast commitment to maintaining high levels of corporate governance and internal control, in addition to transparent and timely disclosure in compliance with all applicable rules and regulations. Regarding NEO Inc., In the market for premium smart electric vehicles, NIO Inc. is recognized as a forerunner and a prominent competitor. NIO was established in November 2014, and its goal is to design a lifestyle that is filled with delight. NIO's goal is to develop a community with its users by starting with intelligent electric vehicles so that they may share their joy and progress. NIO is a leader in the development of next-generation technologies in the areas of autonomous driving, digital technology, electric powertrains, and batteries. The company designs, develops, collaboratively manufactures, and distributes premium smart electric vehicles. Battery as a Service, which is NIO's industry-leading battery swapping technology, and Autonomous Driving as a Service, which is NIO's proprietary autonomous driving technology, are two examples of how NIO differentiates itself through its ongoing technological breakthroughs and innovations. NIO introduced the ES8 flagship luxury smart electric SUV with 7 seats in December of 2017. The company started making deliveries of the ES8 in June of 2018, and the ES8 variation with 6 seats began shipping in March of 2019. In December 2018, NIO introduced the ES6, a high-performance luxury smart electric SUV with 5 seats, and in June of 2019, the company began delivering ES6 vehicles to customers. In December 2019, NIO introduced the EC6, a luxury smart electric coupe SUV with 5 seats, and in September 2020, the company started delivering EC6 vehicles to customers. In January 2021, NIO introduced the ET7, a flagship luxury smart electric sedan, and in March 2022, the company started delivering the ET7 vehicles to customers. In December 2021, NIO introduced the ET5, a luxury smart electric vehicle available in a mid-size body configuration. In June 2022, NIO introduced the ES7, a luxury smart electric SUV with 5 seats that were positioned as a mid-large vehicle. Harbor Statement. This press release contains information that may constitute forward-looking statements following the safe harbor provisions of the Private Securities Litigation Reform Act of 1995 that was passed in the United States. You can recognize these forward-looking statements by the use of words like will, expects, anticipates, aims, future, intends, plans, believes, estimates, and similar phrases. Additionally, NIO may make oral or written forward-looking statements in its periodic reports to the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission and its annual report to shareholders, in announcements, circulars, or in other publications made on the websites of each of the SEHK and SGXST, and press releases and other written materials, and oral statements made by its officers, directors, or employees to third parties. These forward-looking statements may be included in NIO's annual report to shareholders and its periodic reports to the U. Forward-looking statements include any information that is not historical facts, such as statements about the views, plans, and expectations of NIO. Statements that look into the future are subject to several inherent risks and uncertainties. Actual results may differ materially from those contained in any forward-looking statement due to several factors, including, but not limited to, the following: NIO's strategies, NIO's future business development, financial condition, and results of operations, NIO's ability to develop and manufacture a car of sufficient quality and appeal to customers on schedule and a large scale, its ability to ensure and expand manufacturing capacities, including establishing new manufacturing facilities. NIO's ability to develop and manufacture a car of sufficient additional information regarding these and other risks can be found in the filings that NIO has submitted to the United States Securities and Exchange Commission, as well as the announcements and filings that can be found on the websites of both the SEHK and the SGXST. All the information that's included in this press release is accurate as of the date that this press release was issued, and NIO does not assume any obligation to update any forward-looking statements unless doing so is specifically required by relevant law. Hey, that'll do it for today, guys. We hope you enjoyed the video. If so, please click on the like button and share it with your friends and family. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel where you'll see even more of our incredible videos. Hey, thanks for watching, everyone. We'll see you in the next one.